Hello guys, my name is Ashley. I am gonna do a makeup tutorials for the day. Please subscribe and like my channel for more videos. So right now I'm going with Neutrogena Gel Hydration. Very good, love it. Rub that in, rub that in. Now I'm going with this moisturizer. I like it, but I didn't find my other one, so I'm just gonna use this one. Now I'm gonna go with my Beauty Blend. I'm gonna take my MAC Fix Plus, wet it a little bit. It's already damp. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty foundation. I'm in shade 9. Which I love this foundation. I really don't like full coverage foundation, but this one, I absolutely love it. Gonna go with my Beauty Blender, blend, 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 blend. I really blend until like I see that everything is blend. I do not play that because sometimes you take pictures and you're looking like a clown. Just blend, blend. Now I'm gonna go on with my Anastasia brow pen. I love this. I don't really shade in my eyebrows too much. I like the natural look. The brow gel in clear. I love this. I had it for a long time. I guess I like it. I'm gonna go with my Revlon concealer. I'm in shade natural. I like it. Pretty nice, I could say. Blend, 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 blend. Now I'm gonna go in with my Huda bronzer. I'm in shade light. I love this. Had it for 2 years. I just went in with my eye primer. I already applied it, but it's from Milani. Now I'm gonna go in with some blush. This is from the Selena Gomez brand, which is pretty good. I love it. Love this shade. Got it from Sephora. And with my James Charles eyeshadow palette, I think I got this from Morphe. It was a gift, but I mean the shades are pretty good. I'm feeling it. Guys are gonna kill me for the way I do my eyeshadow, but I feel like this is a way easier step. So I basically just add the shades that I want in my eyelids, and then I'll just go and blend it in, which I think is way easier for me. Okay, I am done blending. Now I'm taking some Laura Mercier powder to just, you know, make it a little bit neater. Alright guys, now I'm gonna use some blush. I got this one from DIOR. I think it's in the color Core, if I'm not mistaken. Then I'm gonna take some Benefit bronzer. I mean, not bronzer, sorry, blush. I love this blush. I've been using it for years as well. I'm gonna curl my lashes. Now I'm gonna be using this Charlie Tilbury, I think, if I'm not mistaken. I'm so sorry guys, I am Dominican, you know, my English is not the best, but I'm in shade light. It's gonna go under my eye. I love this because I have very oily skin. Now I'm gonna apply some lashes. So what I do is I take the corner of the lashes and I cut it. I don't really like dramatic look. I don't know, I'm super weird. But yes, I'm cutting the corner. As you see, I'm gonna put it in the corner of my eye to give me like a cat eye look. Love it. Now with my lip shade, I like to use this one from NYX, the color brown. I love this. I'm also gonna use this lip gloss from Revlon, the color pink. I love this. I've been using this for like 5 years and plus. And I'm also gonna use some Marc Jacobs lip gloss. I love this shade. It gives you like a little sparkle. Alrighty, now I'm gonna go in with my Champagne Pop highlighter. I love this. I mean, you can never just get over this highlighter. This has to be the best one. I also have the other collection. It's like the powder. I love it. I mixed both of them. It's my favorite. And I will be contouring my nose just a little bit with the Benefit bronzer. Just a slight little bit, not too much. Alrighty guys, so this would be the finished look. Please tell me if you guys like it. I mean, it was a simple look, but subscribe and like, comment, and let me know what you guys want to see. I am willing to do anything for you guys. Let me know if you guys want me to try new products. Thank you so much. Bye.